show us the information. Medical Association pressures the government to state why an old cholera cemetery is being developed as a commercial hub. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, state your qualification. Environment Watchdog takes issue with the new head of the NSWMA.
$600 million debushing program ruffles feathers in Parliament. The opposition walks out. Prime Minister responds in their absence.
Motorist escapes injuries after utility pole fell on vehicle in St Andrews.
And in business news, Port of Kingston welcomes its biggest cruise ship ever.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you agree with the MAJ, that's Medical Association of Jamaica's call for details on the commercial development of the Cholera Cemetery, the old Cholera Cemetery, on Waterloo Road in St Andrew?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.